Hey everybody, Sean Gavin with Reach Higher Ground and Tucker Products. Wanted to take a couple minutes to introduce you to our new Solar Boost 27-foot compact water-fed pole specifically designed for solar panel cleaning. So this pole is right around 5 foot long when it's closed, so it's nice and compact for using on roof lines. Fully extended, you're going to have 27 feet of actual length on this pole. We've got our plastic end cap built in, and it will come with 100 feet of the red 5/16 tubing, as well as the quick connects you need on the other end of the tubing to connect to standard male garden hose fittings. The pole comes with the Tucker clamping mechanism across the range here, all made in the United States, and our new solar panel cleaning brush. So built into this pole, you will have our XL size, right around 17 inches wide, with the rinse bar built in. This also has the swivel mechanism head built in as well. So it is built in right to the brush. Water flows through the pole and then out across the rinse bar over the top of the solar panel cleaning brush. The brush is removed quite simply for storage by opening the number 1 clamp and sliding the brush out. So you can see, again here, a close-up of the rinse bar. Across the top here, you're going to have a rinse bar with flow all the way across. There's many holes across here for flow across and rinsing on there. This is our new bristle that we've been working on with solar panel cleaning companies for specifically solar panel cleaning. The ends are flagged or flocked, as you might call it, so that it shreds the end and creates all these little micro bristles on the end of each individual bristle. And that really helps get in all those nooks and crannies on the panel, as well as it has a little more weight than a typical window cleaning brush. So this weighs right around 1.7 pounds, which is nice when you're on the roof and you're working in a downward motion. You want a little bit more weight to get agitation, especially as the panels are further and further away from you when you're extending. Another tip that we would tell you is if you're not needing to fully extend the pole, what I would do is leave the top 2 or 3 sections not extended, so you have some extra weight yet again at the end of the pole instead of all the weight back at your hands. So if you leave sections unextended near the brush, you're adding weight and downward pressure yet again, so you can really get some downward pressure and weight onto the panels. But again, comes with the newly designed Tucker easy to use clamping mechanisms. Again, made right here in the United States. And for storage, we just have it real simple to disconnect the brush itself. So new product specifically designed for solar panel cleaning, both the pole as well as the brush. Don't recommend the brush for windows because of the flacked or flogged bristles as well as the extra weight. There's much lighter brushes that we make for window cleaning. But check these out at tuckerusa.com or any of our worldwide distributors. Thank you very much.